Hi everyone, and how are you today? As you can see, I've got a different look today. Do I look gorgeous?
We are being very silly, aren't we? We're having lots and lots of fun.
Lots of fun.
Lots of fun.
Yeah.
You and me and
Jess. Well, the girls wanted me to have this look. I don't know why. They seem to think it's really amusing, which I don't think I'm really happy about this, girls. Can I stop now, please? Oh. Stop it. Stop it. It's gruesome. Andy, say a sec. That's not very... Oh my God, that made me look very ugly. Hi! Oh, you are looking very attractive. Oh, I bet I'm more gorgeous than you. Oh, no, you're not. Oh, I am. I'm not gorgeous. How gorgeous are you? Yeah, don't hold it because you'll stop recording. Oh, my. Oh, you are...
Hi, we're having lots and lots of fun at Nanny's.
you look so gorgeous, Jess.
Thank you.
You look so grown up with your glasses. So this is the Halloween costume that the girls have chosen for me. What do you all think? I think it's very good and very scary. Thank you, girls. So the girls also decided that I needed to have more beauty treatments because, well, to make sure that I continue to be as beautiful as I am. So thank you, girls. I'm just having a nice, relaxing facial. Yes, they've got me as a dog now, catching flies. Catching flies. You girls are killing me here.
He's sleepy.
Back, Nanny.
I have the lipstick on.
Hi.
It is an improvement.
Yes.
Yeah.
I was gonna do something. Oh, so hello guys. This is So we're doing a video of this, and Nanny is here, and me, and Jess. So everyone, I know it was a bit of a different kind of video today, but me and the girls have had so much fun, and they've gone home now. So I've got my glasses on, ready to do my work. I didn't get any work done today. No crafting, no housework, just lots of fun with the girls. So hope you've enjoyed it. I'm sorry it's not your normal typical crafting tutorial, but I thought I'd show you all how much fun we'd had. Bye.